on?
Wearing us.
Come here.
Put them on.
Papa, take a picture.
Look, and you want to put yours on too?
Is it videoing?
And I'm snapping a picture too.
Put yours on like Wesley.
Can you look up
Show
here?
Papa. Look at Papa.
Look at Papa so I can take a
Look at
picture.
Papa. Hold on. Let's do these. Papa.
Y'all sure are boring.
Here we go. We should just leave it like this from sitting here. Mess.
Brandon, it must be easy being stay-at-home dads. Aaron?
Not a bad life.
Battle tank.
Oh, that's right. We're having to babysit Missy too. Look.
Yeah.
She's been the most rambunctious.
Missy's the only girl.
She's the only one we had to find.
She's the only one who's gotten a spanking.
Hey. Hey. Cool. Bubbles. Bubbles. Bubbles.
Missy.
Yes, talk.
I want some more. I like them.
That's Uncle Brandon if he'll get you a little bit more. Some of those baked potato ones.
What is it? Baked
Those
potatoes?
Pringles. They're
Yeah.
sitting there. Not the fire ones.
Yeah.
The baked potato ones.
How many?
Just like a stack.
Hank,
You know,
say hi. Hank,
7 or so.
what you doing, Hank?
Drink some of your water, Mr. Clark.
Hank, what you doing, Hank? Say hi. Hey, say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Wes.
Hi.
Hi.